Group, their exposure to the Adani Group, if that was indeed the worry, has been somewhat clarified. But we continue to see a decent amount of sell-off in the banking stocks, Bank of Baroda, for instance. Okay, there goes the bell, and the markets are starting about 0.5% lower. It's not terrible, but it is in the red, down about 81 points, and the bank Nifty is not as bad as it was in the pre-opening. We do have a 1% cut. Adani Enterprises sticks to the pre-opening rate. It's 10% higher, circuit up, and Adani Ports as well is starting with a decent amount of green. The other stocks, Britannia is being congratulated for its results. ITC relief, the cigarette levy, is not very high. It's just about a 1% impact on its profit. Among other stocks, the IT stocks are doing very well. So clearly in step with the global cheer. Nasdaq has done very well. Nasdaq in pre-opening, pre-market also is doing very well. And so Infosys, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro are your next set of winners. Indices Bank is a little bit in the green after they clarified about their exposure. SBI Life actually is emerging. So have the life companies been hurt enough? Well, HDFC Life doesn't seem to give that impression. It continues to see a 5%, 6% downtick. HDFC, okay, now down to about 4%, minus 3.8 on HDFC Life, but the banks are still in trouble. SBI, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, all of them in the red. Anything specific on mid-caps?
Well, Lata, first, Hero MotoCorp, the numbers are a little bit disappointing out there. So that stock is open up with a bit of a cut. You have Ashok Leyland on the flip side, but the numbers look good. So that's open up with a gain of closer around 1%. Besides that, Tata Chemicals, that's getting a hard knock. That's down, in fact, 3% as we speak. So just keep an eye on that one. IDFC, they've declared a big dividend. They're going to be putting more money into IDFC First Bank as well. Stake goes up to around 40%. The street seems to be liking that for now. Both those two twins, they're doing pretty well in the initial tick. And Britannia as well, I think that initial take goes well in the green. Ambuja Cements, by the way, that's cooled off and that's narrowed down.
Actually, I think everything is turned around.
Yes.
Look at, suddenly it's 100 points lower on the Nifty. This is kind of continuing from where that...
And Adani Enterprises is minus 10 now.
Adani Enterprises is down 10, transmission is down 10, green is down 10, power is down 5, ports is down 10. I mean, this is limit down. Ambuja, of course, is, as Nigel mentioned, down 3 off the highs by quite a bit. So yeah, I mean, actually, all the names in the group, ACC is down 3. So this is pretty much the entire pack, all down at lower circuits. So 160 points now, and this is coming in thick and fast. 160 lower on the Nifty, 17,455 straight away. Straight away.
What was the flagship, the flag bearer of the Indian markets last year, the Nifty Bank, is today down nearly 2%, and one would have thought that they're somewhat ring-fenced from the events of the last few days, but no, in spite of all the disclosures made, banks continue to see a lot of selling, 1.8% down at this point in time, 700 points on the Nifty Bank. Okay, we will be discussing Adani stocks and what they're going through for the rest of the day, but for now, let's turn to the budget and for what the markets have gleaned from the budget as well. We have with us Sridhar Shivram, Investment Director at Enam Holdings.